I love you, baby, and if it's quite alright, I need you, baby, to wanna know.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Crystalicious, and I'm back with another video. And today I'm actually gonna be doing something different that I normally don't do, but I'm gonna be going to the park and I'm gonna do like a self-care date with myself. And I'm actually gonna go pick up some food. I was gonna get some Chick-fil-A, so I'm gonna do that. And I'm also gonna bring my journal because I wanted to do some journaling while I was there because I feel like it would be something nice to do, and I've never done it before. So, and I do like being in nature, but I feel like I just don't take the time to like do it. So I feel like I want to incorporate that more into like not my daily routine, but like just do it more. So before we get into the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you get notified every time I post. And I'm actually gonna head to the mall because I want to see if my AirPods can get replaced because I got them before 2020. So they have like issues sometimes. So I feel like if I can get them replaced, I will. So I'm gonna try that. And then there's actually a Chick-fil-A there. So I was like, I might as well just go because today I'm off. So I was like, I might as well do that because I really didn't want to go to the mall because it's like a 20-minute drive. So that's really not that bad, but I just didn't feel like going. But since there's a Chick-fil-A there, I was like, I might as well. So I don't know if I'm gonna check in with you guys right when I get to the mall or when I get my food, but we'll see what happens. But stay tuned. Hey y'all, I'm in my car, but I actually just got to the mall, so I'm about to go in there and first go to Apple, and then after I'm done, I'm just gonna go to Chick-fil-A and pick up my food, and then I'll be on my way to the park. But let's go. So I'm at the park now, and I'm sitting over here, even though I think that person over there is leaving, but there's like all these tables. But I'm sitting at this one right here. And I got my Chick-fil-A, got my water, and then I got my journal. Oh shit. Okay, so I'm about to eat. I feel like I look sweaty. But anyways, I got my protein shake with me. So I just got a small fry. I think I'm talking low. Okay. I got a small fry, and then I got the grilled spicy deluxe with Colby Jack again. This is like my third time eating that now, so I guess I like it. And then it, of course, comes with the cilantro lime, so I got that too. I forgot to grab Chick-fil-A sauce, but whatever. I'm about to just put this on my sandwich. This is so relaxing already. Like, I feel good. Alright, so I guess it's like a mini mukbang. And they be putting 2 tomatoes, but I always take one off. I feel like it's too much. They put a lot of lettuce too. Okay. There we go. Alright, we finna dig in. I feel like over here is better anyway, because under there has like no light. So, but I brought my my little phone light anyway, so I would have been good regardless. Okay. So I did get my septum pierced, if you notice anything different. And actually for my birthday, which is November 22nd, I either want to get, actually I'm not going to say what piercing I want to get because I don't even know. I'm not even sure yet, so. But I got this about, I think like, I want to say 2 months, but I don't think it's been 2 months. But it's basically healed, but like now and again, I'll just like clean it with a Q-tip. But the healing for me was really easy. So Y'all, I feel like I felt a spider web, but I don't see nothing, so I'm like scared. But I'm okay. And I need to do a fit check because I meant to show you guys earlier before I left, but I forgot. Oh, and let me tell you guys. Tell me why I went to the Apple store or whatever. And I mean, it is Friday, so I should have thought about that. But I basically wasted my time going there because they was talking about I needed an appointment anyway. So, and like the wait was gonna be like 5 hours, and I'm not waiting 5 hours. Like, so. I don't know what the fuck that is, but I need to do a fit check for y'all. Alright, so I'm gonna do a fit check for y'all. Let me see. Okay, so I got these shorts from Fashion Nova. And I'm still deciding if I want to do a haul with the stuff. It'll have these shorts in them. But, and then I got this shirt from Shein. And then this is the back. They're ripped, but they're not like too exposed. So I actually like that. And then I got these shoes on that I got from Ego. So yeah. Fit check. Okay. I just wanted to show you guys my fit. Oh, and then my jewelry. I got this from Etsy. This is a Herkimer diamond. I love this necklace. I always wear it. I want to get more crystal necklaces. And then I just got these 4 new bracelets. And my arms look so hairy, but I need to wax them. But I got this evil eye on. Then I got this black obsidian, carnelian, tiger's eye, and rose quartz. And then I just got my Apple Watch. And I need to change this watch face, but I can't find my things. So I need to find them. Let me eat a fry for y'all. Okay. This is so peaceful. I might be bougie, but I don't like eating these. I only eat them if I'm like so hungry. Like if I finish all my fries. Because most of the time I don't even finish my fries. Like, I'm not really a fry girl. Like, but recently I've been eating like all of them. I'm gonna wipe my mouth. My hair is looking so big. I don't know what I do, but the last few days, because my hair is kind of fresh. It's only like 3 days old. So, oh, but I haven't been sleeping without, I've been sleeping without a bonnet, so that's probably why. My hair's getting more frizzy. My bun got soggy. I always make weird noises. Yeah, I'm not eating that. This is good. Oh yeah, but I'd say if you're thinking about trying the grilled sandwich, I'd say try it. It's good. And I get it with Colby Jack cheese. There's a fly. It scared me. I'm like debating if after I finish, if I want to like walk the trail a little bit. But we'll see. Oh yeah, but I really want to get back into filming because I feel like I never know what I want to film, so then it just makes me like not even want to do it. Well, it's like I have ideas, but then I feel like I get so stressed out about like when exactly I'm gonna do it and stuff. So, I like can't decide if the lighting is good or not. Oh yeah, but like the last month, I've been making sure that I journal at least like every day. And I do like scripting, which is like manifesting, but I only do that like when I feel like I want to do it. Like when I say journaling, I either do like a prompt or I do like oh my god, I hate flies. Anyways, I either do like journaling prompts or I do like gratitude. But I don't know why I picked this up. This fly is irritating my soul. But I'm trying to decide what I want to do today. I think I do want to do some scripting. And then I'll do like maybe a prompt. Because I'll either do gratitude or prompt. And then I'll either do like scripting or gratitude. Like it just depends how I feel. I feel like it's like the perfect day for this because it's not like hot. But like I don't feel cold either. Like there's not really a breeze, but I don't feel like really hot. I feel like I look red though. Like I feel like I look hot. But I'm like a little hot, but not so where I can complain about it. Like I'm comfortable. And after I'm done, I'm gonna show you guys the view. There's a squirrel over here. I kind of want to throw it a tomato or something. Do they even eat that? I'll throw them these fries. I don't even know if he's gonna find them. I say I don't want to bring it to like, cause you know, like once you start being an animal, it starts like. I keep hearing noises and it's making me scared a little bit. But I'll be alright. I feel like I'm being quiet, but like, I feel like it's because I'm like enjoying, like, I don't know, like the nature. Okay, I don't know if you guys can hear in the back, but there's like some kids playing like, I think like volleyball or something. But if you hear anything, that's why. I'm leaving the little baby scraps. I don't know why I keep looking at it. I got some napkins just in case. I'm gonna put them in my purse. I sound like a pig. That in my face. I don't know if I want to move or not. Oh my god. I don't know if that was a bird or something. No, that's like a big ass. I don't know if you could tell by my face how scared I was, but I didn't know if that was a bird or a fucking bug, and it was a bug. But hopefully it does not come over here. I promise I will flip out. Okay, so I'm actually gonna start my journaling. I'm gonna reapply my lip gloss. I don't want to look crusty. Oh my god, I keep burping. I feel like I sound like an animal. Yeah, I want a dog so bad. But, well, I want a puppy. And that's a lot of work, so I feel like I would do it though. I just feel like I'm gonna just let it happen naturally though. Like I'm not gonna force it. Okay, y'all, so I figured out what I'm gonna do. So I'm just gonna do a journaling prompt and then some gratitude. Well, no, just, is it gratitude? No, it's just, I guess like a prayer, I guess. Because I am still saying what I'm thankful for, but it's not like me like asking for anything. So, and normally before I do my prompts, I like to do. Well, actually, it doesn't matter today. I keep remembering, but I normally do like my prayer before I do like scripting, but I'm not doing scripting today, so I'm just gonna do my prompt and then my prayer. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got. Is it giving? Anyways, this is what I have for journaling. I have what do I need to be content. I meant to put with my life, but basically that. And then for prayers and all that, I do dear God / universe, and then I just say like what I'm grateful for and just how I'm feeling and stuff like that. So yeah. Yeah, that's good. Okay, this is peaceful as fuck. Oh my god, my arm looks so hairy, bro. And it's not even like that bad. Like I feel like it just looks worse on here. Wait, but I don't want you guys to see it. I'm ready. Was it like that? There we go.
Stay so fresh, so clean, think they like me, like me. I wear more supreme than I hype me. Only blue, no green, don't excite me. I can make a whole out your wife. Jeremy Scott up on my toes, act like Shocky. Made her get down on the bottom, then she top me. Pull up extra icy, I'm not playing hockey. Niggas think I'm weird and they don't really like me. Cause I can fuck your bitch and fuck your mom and auntie. Your girl's a fight, but your mom is a dime. And your auntie, her name is Miss Connie. I got one Glock, his name Clyde, the other one named Bonnie. These bitches, they think they daddy, but they be just lying. That little bitch can't throw it back, I swear that hoe be trying. When I fuck her from the front, it sound like that bitch dying. CBS, I need a vest to need me at my diamond. I swear these niggas talk shit, but they really be hiding. Got that boy bitch on my dick, that hoe she was just riding. Diamonds on my neck so wet, that shit look like Poseidon. I stand on my money, then my height turn to 9. Yeah. These niggas be biting. Plaza, I'm not.
Why is a squirrel just staring at me? I actually want to show you guys. Look at this. You see him staring at me? So I'm gonna over here. Cause the damn squirrel kept staring at me. And I kept getting distracted. And y'all saw how close it was getting. And after I'm done, I might like walk around a little bit and like show you guys like the view and everything. And plus it's like peaceful, so I feel like I wouldn't even mind. So I just finished doing my prayer, and before that I did my journaling question that I showed you guys, and I think I'm just gonna keep it to myself. So I'm actually gonna bring like this stuff to my car really quick, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna do like a little, not like a trail walk, but maybe for like a few minutes I'll just walk through and like see the views and everything, because this is actually my first time being here. So. Oh, and there's these people playing volleyball in the sand. It's giving. So I could turn my pixie light off. Ew, don't mind this video. Keep burping like an animal. Damn, it's bright. Bright as fuck out here. I look good though. This is where I just came from, and I was walking like a whole different way. Alright, so I'm gonna put this stuff in my car and then I'll check back in with you guys. So my phone is dying, so I'm not gonna go for like a really long walk, but I do want to see a little bit, so I didn't even keep that squirrel right there. Started running. I'm gonna walk this trail a little bit. This is all the tables. Okay. I don't know if you guys can hear that ringing, but I think it's an ice cream truck. I don't know. Oh, there was tables over here too. This is so nice. I need to do this more, like just getting food and like coming here to eat. Cause like I'm gonna show you guys. I'm going down here and there's like, I'll just show you because I really don't want to walk downhill. But there's like that table right there, and then there's more. So that's nice. A little views for y'all. I'm trying to do like new stuff with my content. Oh, and this is actually the volleyball spot that I was talking about. You guys can see it in the back, like the sand and everything. And then there's like a whole trail down here. But I think this is gonna be the end of my video because I do feel nice and like refreshed. So I just want to say thank you guys for coming along with me journaling and eating my Chick-fil-A and just, I don't know, being there for me to talk to, I guess. No, I'm just playing. But you guys coming along with me and enjoying this with me. So I want to do this more. And I think next time I want to do like a picnic. So let me know if you guys would be interested in that. And I could like maybe try to go to a different park. Even though this is like, I feel like this would be a nice area for the picnic. You see all the grass and everything. The view is so nice. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you turn on post notifications so you can get notified every time I post. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye.